My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware type application called FrontierProcessor. FrontierProcessor is the adware and it belongs to the adload family of computer infections. Once installed, this adware may display a lot of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. The adware FrontierProcessor is spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases, users download and install it unintentionally. If it was installed to your computer somewhere or another, you need to get rid of it by right-clicking on it and moving it to the trash. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. You can find it on the website combocleaner.com. Use your preferred operating system. Download Combo Cleaner, install it, and start researching your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.